Another tofu adventure, guys and gals. Yes, I'm still kicking and alive. I know it's been a while. I haven't managed to kill myself yet. First hike of 2024. Slow start to the year, but I'll get back into the swing of things. Naturally, I came back to my favorite mountain, Page's Pinnacle. I guess I missed the views. I missed the hills, kinda. It still hurts. That steep uphill, 2 pages. That is fun. Alright guys, short hike and a little bit of exploration today. Of course you're going to miss this view. It's gorgeous. Alright. You know what, I should have tested this out way earlier. I got this water filter. This is the Catadine. Alright, so I had this over a year now, and probably this is the 4th time I've tried using it. However, the first 3 times sucked. Could not get anything out of the filter. So the reason why, after going back to Wild Earth, they told me it's because I didn't soak the filter. After a prolonged period of time where you don't use it, the filter gets stiff. So I soaked this overnight, and look at it, it's finally working. Woohoo! So it's good to know I didn't waste my money. Last time I was here, that was bone dry. It's actually so good to actually see some water in this creek. Who knows? Even if the waterfall flows like this, I'll be happy. That looks cool. It's amazing. It looks so different, this creek, to when it's completely dry. Alright, we're only 10 minutes in, so we've got roughly another 15 minutes upstream. Seriously, look how cool this is. Even something like this, after climbing Page's Pinnacle, you come down and have a dip. Crystal clear water. Unbelievable. This is so much different. Quite enjoy this. Only if today is a little bit warmer, I'm 100% sure I'll sit down there for a couple of minutes. Who knows? Might break a sweat today and come down there. This is turning out to be quite an adventure. Quite enjoy this creek hop now. I definitely can't wait to come back at higher flow. Been going for around 40 minutes, the creek hop. So we're getting close. And we're hitting this little constriction area that looks pretty cool. Mini waterfalls right ahead. The last time I was here, we saw the snake catch the poor little froggy. It was pretty cool to witness. Except the water level was non-existent, so hopefully I still can stay dry. If not, it's okay. Alright, gotta get through here, and then that's pretty much about it. The walls are wet, so there's a good chance I'm going to slip in. I'll try to stay dry, but I don't know how hopeful that's going to be. Which means the water might not be flowing as much as I thought. Here we are guys, 55 minutes in, close to an hour. Okay, so this is the bottom tier. Oh, it's flowing. Look at that. Okay, it looks like I have to get wet there. Let me get up there and I'll show you guys a better view. Oh, much harder when it's slippery. Look at this. Nice. Up we go, and once we reach the top of this, it's going to be a nice surprise. I really hope that it's flowing better than last time, but what's more important is if there's a pool at the bottom that's full, and take a dip in. Yes, it's flowing, but not as great, but still flowing. How awesome is this, guys? The waterfall I'm after. Woohoo! Here it is, guys. Gorgeous. It's not flowing as much as I hoped, but a lot better than last time. Here it is. Beautiful.